Ever wish building business solutions didn't mean waiting months for IT or learning to code from scratch? That's exactly why I'm excited to talk about Microsoft Power Platform, a toolkit designed to put the power in your hands, no matter your tech background. Let's break it down. First up, Power Apps. Build custom web apps. Build custom mobile apps with a simple drag-and-drop interface. No more one-size-fits-all software. Now, if my team has a unique need, I can whip up an app that works exactly how we want. It connects to our data in the cloud, it connects to our data on premises, and it works on every device. Suddenly, app creation feels possible for anyone. Next is Power Automate. Tired of repetitive tasks like sending update emails or chasing approvals? Power Automate creates workflows that handle those tasks. Set rules and triggers and get your time back. Now let's talk about Power BI. Data is everywhere, but making sense of it is the real trick. Power BI turns raw data into dashboards and reports for clear insights. See real-time numbers, sales progress, and other metrics right when you need them. And then there's Power Pages. Launch a polished, secure website without a dev team. Design business sites. Publish business sites. Manage business sites using the same data as your apps and automations. It's fast, secure, and works across all devices. But wait, there's more. Copilot Studio brings AI to help build and design. Connectors link to 400+ external services. AI Builder adds intelligence without code. Microsoft Dataverse is the glue, keeping data connected, secure, and consistent across the platform. So whether you're building apps, automating work, analyzing data, or launching websites, Microsoft Power Platform makes it all possible, faster, easier, and without needing to be a coding pro. Ready to empower yourself? Dive in and start building.